I'm Dr. Oreh, the Honorable Commissioner for Health in Rivers State and a very proud daughter of Ogba Mandoni local government area.
As a daughter of this land, Ogba Mandoni local government, how do you see this road?
The road is transformational, and the reason I'm saying that is because it connects multiple local government areas. It connects Ahoda East, it connects Ogba Mandoni local government areas to hugely populated local government areas and very strategic in the economic state of our dear River State. And furthermore, of course, as Commissioner for Health, I know the implications for the health and survival of our people because of this road. We know that there are a lot of transportation challenges that people face when they are trying to seek quality health care. And what this road does is it opens up movement and transformation and transportation of our people so that they don't have to go through undue hardship to seek access to healthcare and other social development such as education, economic empowerment opportunities, marketing, trading, and relating with others. And so we're grateful that His Excellency prioritized this project and ensured that the contractors executed and delivered this project to the state in the shortest possible time. We congratulate His Excellency as this is the first of 10 major projects that will be commissioned over the next 10 days. And we also congratulate him on the strides he's taking to advance the peace and development of River State, political strides as well that he's taking to ensure that his mantra of peace is always upheld for the good of the people of not just River State but the Federal Republic of Nigeria. As I said just a few seconds ago, it is clear that his strategic political steps are in furtherance of the peace that he has continued to advocate. He sees it as a way of showcasing the fact that River State under his leadership is firmly in support of not just state development but federal development. And as he said, he does not want to support Mr. President, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, from the backyard. And so he's standing firmly with him in support, and for that reason has defected to the All Progressive Congress to support him fully as a member of his party and a solid support for the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Today we are excited. I'm not from this local government, but I'm from the Orashi region. And we are truly excited that we have a governor that is very considerate, a governor that is very responsive, a governor that does not require nudges from people to do what is needful. Today we have this excellent project here. You can see the Ahoda Omoku Road. Wonderful road. This is a road that has international standards. And the contractor itself is not just any other contractor. Julius Pecha, the governor believes in the best for his people, he believes in the best for River State, and the best for Nigeria. And that's why we have identified with Mr. President. Yes, we've identified with Mr. President openly and not surreptitiously, because we believe that the benefits of our country and this government will trickle down to the grassroots. So we're very excited, we're very grateful to His Excellency for what he's doing here today. Oh, yes, indeed, it's welcome because it situates us. And we're tired of the distractions, unnecessary distractions. The governor is one that is focused, one that believes in the people, one that believes in service, and he believes in the integrity of this country, of Nigeria. And he has always worked with Mr. President, His Excellency, Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu. He's always worked with him. And so we felt that it's only proper that he will stamp his authority and make it clear that we support Mr. President for 2027. River State supports Mr. President, and we believe that this development that has commenced will continue and bring more fruits to River State.
Okay, as a stakeholder in your domain, what is your word to your people?
Oh, wherever the governor goes, we follow. Wherever he goes, we follow, because the governor is a man of wisdom, a man of excellent temperament, a man of peace, and a man that believes in progress. He's a man that believes in uniting people. And that's why the Rivers people are right behind him. Excited, we're all excited. The 22 local government areas of River State are solidly behind this governor. And of course, by implication, Mr. President, Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu.
Thank you very much, sir.